Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see how to use symmetry in Maya. So to use symmetry we have to create one model, hold shift and right click, and we can take any of the geometry from here. So I will create one sphere. Then to make changes in the sphere we can click on polysphere in the channel box and increase the radius by 3 and increase its subdivision 15 to 50. So what is symmetry? Symmetry means if we do the changes on one side, the same changes is done on the opposite side of the object. So if we go to the component mode and select the vertex just by clicking, and if we want to soft select this area we can press B. Now if we see, this area has been selected, and if we want the same area on the opposite side to be selected, we have to turn on the symmetry. So we can double click on the move tool and then we can see the symmetry settings option here. We can click on this. Here we can click on the small drop down triangle option, and here you can see object XYZ or world XYZ. So now it was off. If I select object X, then you can see both of the side has been selected, and if you go and click on world X, then too the same side has been selected. So the object XYZ and world XYZ are reacting the same. So we will understand why it is same. If we go to the front view, so what is object XYZ? The object where it stands and the center of the object is called object XYZ. If I select any of the vertex here and it is selecting the same vertex on the opposite of this object, but if I go to the world, then world XYZ means the center of world is this line on the grid. So for this we will create one more object, same object like a sphere, and then take it over here and make the changes like 3 and increase the subdivisions from here, and in component mode we can select vertex. If we select this vertex and the symmetry window which we were looking for in the move tool, the same you can do this setting by just clicking here also. You can look object XYZ and world XYZ. We can do the settings. So if we select the object XYZ, you can see the object is reacting the same, but when we click and click on world XYZ and we click anywhere on the object, it is not selecting the same position on the opposite side.